Welcome back to the channel. You need to watch this if you want to learn possessive adjectives. Let's make English fun and easy. Possessive adjectives show who something belongs to. Let's start with some basics. My book is on the table. Your bag is blue. His cat is cute. Her dress is green. Our car is fast. Their house is big. My brother is tall. Your sister is funny. His dog is friendly. Her pencil is sharp. Our garden is beautiful. Their room is clean. My shoes are new. Your hat is cool. His bike is red. Her phone is old. Our party is tomorrow. Their friends are nice. My homework is done. Your pizza is ready. His cake is delicious. Her song is pretty. Our game is fun. Their trip is exciting. Oh, see, possessive adjectives are easy. Nice job practicing your English. Thanks for learning with me. Subscribe for more learning adventures.